Hi, my name is Carey, and I am the founder and lead system strategist of Structure Over Chaos. I worked with Bianca on a project to help me to get my offers together, help me to get clarity on what it is that I had my best zone of genius, and knowing how to price it so that it was attractive to my ideal audience. We worked together tirelessly. She gave great insight. She was able to pull out some hidden skills that I didn't know I had. And working with Bianca was really rewarding because it gave me the accountability I needed. She would make subtle suggestions that would open my mind to start thinking in a whole different direction. And altogether, I am really pleased with the end product, and I don't believe that I would have had the success that I have had it not been for working with Bianca. So if you've been on the fence about working with Bianca, do yourself and your business a favor, because it's the fastest way that you can get to the finish line. She is really worth her weight in gold. I've enjoyed this process and highly recommend anyone who's in need of restructuring, organizing, or just need a little bit of insight and guidance on how to best set up your business, operate your business, and work in your zone of genius.